Hey guys, I'm going to go through real quick and show you your next playlist. It's playlist 13, 14, whatever you want to call it, but it is on an argumentative essay. I do want to start by saying that I am very proud of all of you guys, because in order for you to have gotten to this point where you're doing this playlist, you had to get to a certain place in the playlist before this, or you wouldn't be ready for this argumentative essay. So I know a lot of you guys are looking at this and you're like, essay, what? No, that's a lot of writing. But I do want you to know that I am very confident in all of you that you will be able to do this and you will be able to do this well. So I don't want you to freak out because it's an essay, because if you've made it to this point, you've made it. Like, this is a good thing that you're able to write this essay. Okay, so first thing you're going to do is you're going to copy or just add the new pages to your ELA notebook. Make sure that you do this because these pages are going to help you for weeks to come, and they're also going to be nice for you to have in the future as well. So if you don't do this now, then not only will it hinder your ability to write this essay, but it will also hinder your ability in the future to do future assignments. The next thing, you're going to go ahead and click on that link. You're going to go through a pear deck. Basically, the pear deck is everything that you would need to know about argumentative writing before you start. The next thing right there would be to pick a topic, or the third thing on the list is to pick a topic on the world's biggest problem. And so you're going to click on this link actually, and when you click on the link, something like this is going to come up. You're deciding what the world's biggest problem is. And so you can pick one of your own if you want. That's why there's a something else. Or you can pick one of these. All of these were well thought out because they are issues in the world. And I've heard several of you guys talk about every single one of these. So go ahead and pick whichever one you want. What you're going to do when you pick what you want is you're going to click on it. It's going to have you make a copy. So you're just going to make a copy of it. And then what I've already done is gone through and found good sources, credible sources on this issue. So there's 2 of them that you will have to read, and there's 1 that you can watch. There's also, I provided a lot of space for taking notes. That's why this is here. And I put the template that you will have to fill out in here as well. But here's what I want you guys to do if you're looking at this and you're like, that seems like a lot. Okay? So down at the bottom of it, all I want you to do is start coming up with a list of reasons. It's much like we did with the mystery logs. You're coming up with reasons why you believe what you believe. And so as you read through those sources, you're going to make a list so that when you're done reading those sources, you can come back to this and be like, okay, which are my 3 strongest reasons? Or what reasons do I have the most evidence to support from these sources? So if you have any questions about that, please let me know. The performance assessment obviously is that you guys are writing an essay, and so this is the outline that you'll have to fill out and complete. So you're going to need to pull that up and find that. This is the rubric that you will be graded on. This is also a cheat sheet that's been included. I would like to say this cheat sheet is also in those ELA notebook pages, and so are several other resources that would be really helpful for you guys to use. And then I did include this video, which is on a different template that kind of goes through each part of the essay as well. So if you're still, if you're filling out the template above and you're having any questions about like what's a hook, or what does a topic sentence look like, or what should I put here, then watch this video and see if you can find that out, or just ask me if you have any questions. The enrichment activity, so if you get all the way done with this, and I will say the end of the due date for this is the end of the trimester, then what you need to do, and I strongly advise that you do this, even if it's like with a family member, but that you complete the essay revision or editing checklist in your ELA notebook. So in these pages, if you click on them, you'll see where it actually walks you through editing and revising, really fine-tuning what you've written. And so that would be your enrichment activity for the week. If you guys have any questions, please let me know. Like I said though already, I'm very excited to see how well you guys do on this, because I know that you guys are gonna rock this assignment and you're gonna be able to write this essay and look back at it and be like, wow, I really could do that. So if you have any questions, please let me know.